Good afternoon, lovers of wood and wood paraphernalia. You may have noticed some weights strewn about some of my videos here and there and everywhere. Um, Occasionally, I use them to clamp wood or hold it in place. Um, I like to stay fit. I have some weights strewn about my garage, and I've decided it's time to store them in their proper place. So today I'm going to be making a dumbbell rack. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm certainly looking forward to getting my weights up off of the garage floor. This is all going to be made out of a nice hardy 3/4 inch plywood. It's not the prettiest wood you'll ever see me work with, but it's going to be nice and strong, and it's going to get the job done, which is what I need for a project like this because it's going to have to hold quite a bit of weight. I'm trying something new here where I cut all the wood that I need in advance before I start assembly. Not sure if it's going to pan out because usually I don't think that far ahead, but we'll see how it goes. So these are going to be French cleats. They're going to go on the back of my dumbbell rack, and then they will connect into other French cleats into the wall. That's going to hold the whole system in place, along with some screws, of course. We're going to attach those to the back using my favorite joinery method, the pocket hole joinery, along with some tight bond too, of course. This is going to be the centerpiece of my dumbbell rack, so there's going to be like two sort of pillars and then a centerpiece that connects them together. If you're having trouble visualizing this, just bear with me. It'll all come together in the end, and it will be magnificent. Gosh, who picked the music for this thing? I feel like I'm at a day spa. This is the second of the two pillars. Yeah, I'm going to call it a pillar. I don't know what else to call it. And then here I'm attaching the back section. So now it sort of looks like something. Maybe not a dumbbell rack yet, but it looks like something at least. I'm putting a 2x4 on the inside of this for some extra support, because that's where I'm going to attach the brackets that are going to hold all of my weights. The 3/4 inch plywood would probably be okay, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I don't really want my weights to go falling off. This is the bottom of the rack. I'm going to use this to store things. It'll be like a little box at the bottom of it. This is the front of the box section, if you will. These are the handle holders for my dumbbells. They look a little flimsy, but they actually work pretty well. hold the weights, I just used some black pipe and some black pipe fittings. This was 1/2-inch black pipe. Real easy, real cheap. That's the finished product, ready to load it up. Thanks for watching, and remember, sweat for it, don't go into debt for it.